Introducing the BLUETTI Portable Power Station EB3A. With its compact design and powerful capabilities, this is your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, or off-grid living. Equipped with a 268-watt LiFePO4 battery, the EB3A provides ample power to keep your essential devices running, no matter where you are. And with the optional solar panel, you can harness the power of the sun to recharge, giving you unlimited power on your outdoor expeditions. Its two 600-watt AC outlets, with a surge capacity of up to 1,200 watts, allow you to power small appliances and electronics with ease. And thanks to its fast charging capability, you can recharge it from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your adventures. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, tailgating at a game, the BLUETTI Portable Power Station EB3A is your reliable source of power, wherever life takes you. BLUETTI Portable Power Station EB3A. Power your adventures, anytime, anywhere.